Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to check out some of the best 2023 pixie haircut ideas that you can rock. Here we see someone with a longer pixie. This one features a beautiful texture to it. It almost looks like a bob, it's so long. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we see another kind of undercut pixie. She does have beautiful ginger colored hair. So stunning. She got more of like an undercut style. Beautiful texture going there as well. So if you feel inspired by any of these pixie haircuts, definitely be sure to give this video a like and make sure that you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see more of a classic pixie cut. This one ends just above the ears. Beautiful bangs going in the front. And then we see more of a volumized pixie undercut. So she's going to be doing a blowout and styling this one. So what's great about her particular hairstyle is that she can wear the hair styled up or downward depending on her personal preference or what she wants to do for the day. So many different styling options with this particular pixie cut. Looks like she did create a little bit of bangs going there in the front. And she's just kind of creating a nice piecey style texture throughout. Then we see another kind of ginger toned, copper toned pixie cuts. Absolutely gorgeous. Very textured bangs going in the front as well. And then we see a pixie undercut. This one does feature nice stacked bangs in the front as well. Gorgeous line detailing design on the side. Such a fun look. Alright you guys, so if you felt inspired by any of these pixie cuts, don't forget to give this video a like. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more hair trends.